Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to flip and mirror image in Photoshop. So guys, as you can see, I am on Photoshop. So first thing that you will do is simply select the object or the image. And from here, once you have selected it, just simply go to edit. And here on the edit, just simply go ahead and go for transform. And here on the transform, you should be able to see here guys, flip. So you can flip it horizontally or vertically. And from here, you should be able to do the mirror effect. And that's simply about it. Just simply go to edit and then go to transform and you can just simply flip it up. And I hope this video helped you understand more about the Photoshop software. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below and I'll try my best to answer your questions. And if you want more tutorial like this, just simply check out our channel. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and thanks for watching.